You get $2 coupon I redeem for you. Hi.
Hello, how are you?
Good. 58.72.
我没有忘记拿那个袋子，but it's okay, it's not bad.
It's not much, yeah, that's true. We can carry it to the car. What's the worst that can happen?
Today early, huh?
How are you?
One bag?
No, bag. Yeah, no bag. We parked pretty close.
Oh, nice.
Re-enter?
Just enter. It's okay. Gift card, right?
Yeah, maybe not. Okay, let me just use credit card.
This one you just slide. When they ask you PIN, you just enter. $5.
I don't remember the PIN.
That's why I told you. You press cancel first.
Okay.
Hold on a second. Huh?
Okay. To insert the card.
The sounds of 99 Ranch Market.
I think the password is not right. It's okay. I'll use credit card.
Just like this. When they ask you cashback, you say no, and you just enter. Don't put the PIN number.
Oh.
Like bypass.
This is interesting. On a low card issue.
That's no, right?